I'm going to drop the rest of these in there. I just clipped that branch, and we're going to put them all in the box there and see how it goes. I may not have to clip it. I'm going to take this because it's got pheromone on it. And they'll all march right back in there. So I dropped them in there. You can see them fanning like crazy on the edge of there. And that kind of says that that queen's probably in there. You can see them on the board here. So they're moving to get that queen situated. They'll probably push her up to that comb. And in the meantime, I'll slide a little box on top or a lid on top to kind of focus their attention. I'm going to open up this side here, so that'll give them plenty of room to get that pheromone out, that homing pheromone. And we'll just leave them here and see how it turns out for them. That's a pretty good indication that she's in there when they're clustering like that. They'll find a dark place for her and keep her buttoned up.